Well, TCS has gone ahead and announced the acquisition of Postbank Systems AG from Deutsche Bank, and it would in fact be acquiring 100% stake in PBS, which is a full-range captive IT service provider to Postbank and other subsidiaries of Deutsche Bank. To note that PBS has nearly around 1,500 employees, all of which would be absorbed by TCS, and this entire transaction is for a very nominal value of just around €1. The transaction, subject to all the regulatory approvals, is likely to be ended by the end of 2020 itself. Now, what does this really mean for TCS? Well, do note that TCS already has good amount of partnership and relationship with Deutsche Bank, and this acquisition in fact will help strengthen TCS presence in Europe, Germany, especially in the BFSI segment. TCS can combine its technology expertise along with the expertise of Deutsche Bank in the banking segment, and further explore more business opportunities, especially in the BFSI segment in Europe. In fact, if you look at what analysts are stating, they do state that this is a good use of the robust cash reserves that TCS already has. With this, TCS is really going ahead and further building its capabilities in the BFSI segment in Europe. And also, if you look at what Macquarie states, Macquarie does state that captive acquisitions as well as vendor consolidation opportunities would in fact help large IT service companies like TCS and other IT players as well, and this is what we should be really watching out for. Macquarie also states that the last acquisition that TCS had done was in 2008, wherein TCS had acquired Citi's captive BPO unit for $500 million, and this Postbank acquisition by TCS is worth nearly around $300 million. In fact, this acquisition in fact will be adding nearly around $300 million revenue to TCS for CY 2021. Macquarie also has gone ahead and factored this revenue increase in TCS estimates, and they have gone ahead and hiked the earnings estimates of TCS by 0.3 to 1.3% over FY21 to 23. They've also gone ahead and hiked the target price for TCS from 30 rupees per share to nearly around 70 rupees per share. In fact, if you look at what TCS had already mentioned also in the latest results, they had given a very robust positive commentary, and also had mentioned that they are seeing strong deal pipeline, and also their focus would be on further strengthening the leaderships, and of course in terms of making M&As will also be a part of their overall strategy. Several analysts also do state that COVID has led to the acceleration of digital adoption by various organizations, and of course IT sector is what is going to be a preferred bet, and within that also large players like TCS, Infosys, etc. are likely to be watched out for.